Hello friend, welcome to Lawyer's Kingdom. How are you doing today? Let's talk about the fundamental rights which everyone should be aware of. Fundamental rights are the backbone of the Indian Constitution, ensuring the protection and dignity of every citizen. They encompass a set of fundamental freedoms that are crucial for personal growth and the progress of the nation. We will dive deep into the significance of fundamental rights, providing an in-depth explanation of each right. Highlighting examples and cases, discussing the punishments for their violation, and shedding light on their role in safeguarding the rights and liberties of Indian citizens. Explanation of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights, enshrined in Part 3, Articles 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution, are essential human rights granted to all citizens, regardless of their background. These rights are legally enforceable, enabling individuals to seek legal remedies in case of violation. Right to equality. This right ensures equality before the law, prohibits discrimination on various grounds, and promotes equal opportunities for all citizens. It upholds the principles of fairness and justice. Right to freedom. This right protects the freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, and residence. It allows individuals to voice their opinions, assemble peacefully, and move freely within the country. Right against exploitation. This right prohibits human trafficking, forced labor, and child labor. It provides safeguards against exploitation, ensuring the well-being and dignity of individuals. Right to freedom of religion. This right guarantees the freedom to practice, profess, and propagate any religion of choice. It promotes secularism while respecting individual religious beliefs and practices. Cultural and educational rights. These rights protect the rights of minority communities to conserve their culture, language, and establish and manage educational institutions. Right to constitutional remedies. This right empowers citizens to approach the courts to seek remedies for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Writs like habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, and quo warranto can be filed to safeguard individual liberties. Example and punishment. To better understand the practical implications of fundamental rights, let's consider an example. Suppose a person is unlawfully detained without a proper warrant, violating their right to liberty and right against arbitrary arrest. In such a case, the affected individual can file a writ of habeas corpus in the appropriate court. If it is proven that the detention was illegal, the court may order the immediate release of the person and take appropriate action against those responsible for the violation, including potential disciplinary measures and legal consequences. The punishment for the violation of fundamental rights varies depending on the nature and severity of the infringement. It can range from disciplinary actions against individuals involved to legal penalties, fines, and even imprisonment in certain cases. The exact punishment is determined by the relevant laws and the judicial system. The role of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights play a pivotal role in upholding a democratic society. They empower citizens to exercise their rights and liberties freely, promoting equality, justice, and social harmony. By safeguarding these rights, India strives to ensure the dignity, security, and well-being of its citizens. Fundamental rights form the foundation of Indian democracy, guaranteeing the protection and promotion of individual liberties. They enable citizens to live with dignity, exercise their freedoms, and seek legal remedies when their rights are violated. It is crucial for every Indian citizen to understand and appreciate these rights, as they are instrumental in active participation in the democratic process and the preservation of a just and inclusive society. Let us cherish and safeguard our fundamental rights, contributing to a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. Please like and subscribe our channel.